Corn is usually yellow. But did you know there's a jet black corn? And it's not just about the color. Its nutrients put regular corn to shame. Black corn contains anthocyanins, the same natural pigment found in blueberries and black grapes. This compound is a powerful antioxidant that can fight free radicals, prevent cancer, and keep your heart healthy. Even more amazing, studies show that black corn has higher fiber and lower sugar than regular corn, making it a healthier option for diabetics. And here's the twist. Black corn isn't new. The Aztecs and Mayans cultivated it thousands of years ago as the food of the gods. So, when you eat black corn, you're tasting an ancient superfood.